Okay, one thing that happened, like when you put the battery in, the gear cycle, they go down, they go up. So that's one thing to watch out for when you put your battery in and connect up your receiver. Your gear do cycle. Almost looks, eh, oh well. Here we are, Maiden of the Dynam Hurricane, Hawker Hurricane. Right now my winds are coming right down the runway.
Timer start, timer stop, timer start, timer stop, timer start, timer stop, throttle cut on.
Gee whiz. Alright, nervous? Ride 'em, cowboy!
Gear up.
Wow, that was sticks off. I was kind of worried about my CG. Worried about this wind, that's for sure, when it comes time to landing. One of my landing gear, I noticed it's not quite lined up perfect. Four-sail 2200. Well, the canopy stayed on, that's a plus. Kind of maintain my speed, a little rudder in the turns. Wasn't that tower?
Time remaining 4 minutes.
It's got a nice roll. I'm flying 80% rates. I've up my expo to 30 on this plane, just because I wanted to.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Gear down. Timer stop.
Ooh. I can see this is going to be a fun crosswind landing.
Timer stop.
Ah, the grass. Whew. This ground is rough. I mean, look at it. I think it's rough. Oh my gosh. Well, greased her in just like a pro. I don't know if I can do better or not. This wind. Well, if at first you don't destroy it, try again. Let's try for a better landing. Better landing.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
No pressure. Battery's getting low. Wind's picked up. Wind's blowing like crazy.
Timer stop. Timer stop.
Likes that tree. Stay away from that tree. Good grief, man. I'm nervous now. I'm shaking.
Timer stop. Timer
There we
stop.
go.
Timer stop.
Oh, this is ridiculous. All right, let's get it in. It's going strong.
Time remaining 1 minute. Timer
All right.
stop.
Let's keep our
Timer
speed
stop.
up. Let's get
Timer
over.
stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
Golly! It just went up. It just went up. Man. It's like it's catching wind off of the hill behind me. All right, I'm gonna bring it in right here.
Timer stop. Timer start. 30 seconds. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. 20 seconds.
Gee whiz. It wants to float. All right, there's no wind right now. Let's get the landing
10,
in.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Timer stop. Timer start. 3. Timer.
Okay, I'm sorry I was so, I don't know, I was just disappointed with myself at the Maiden. But there, I kind of tweaked that landing gear. And that one just ripped completely out when I hit, and it broke the wires. I don't know, I could probably dig out the wires out of there. Maybe. I don't know. I might be able to fix that, but I think I'm just going to order another set of landing gear. I just I put a question on BitGo's website to see if they're the landing gear they sell, if they're the version 2 or not. But I had no business doing the Maiden on this today. No business at all. It was just too gusty. I mean, the winds would come up and they would blow in the teens just out of nowhere, and the directions were variable. It just wasn't the right kind of day to fly. I wouldn't even fly one of my other warbirds on a day like today, but I had to get the Maiden in, and if I'd have quit after the first landing, because it wasn't a bad landing, just in the tall grass. But anyway, there you go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I will repair this fine fly. It flew great. That's all I can say about it. It just flew great. The landing gear, that was my fault. No, no. I don't know if a gust pushed me down, or either way I was floating in, and it's just like when you come in, even when I had speed, it's just like, because there's a little, that's on a hill there, and the wind had come up and it just pushed it up. I don't know. I just didn't have the skills to fight the gust today, and I lost. This is the worst, absolute worst landing gear job I've ever done on a warplane in over 10 years of flying. But it's all right. We still had fun at the dog park, Tuco and I. Tuco got to play with his buddies. But thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. This is Jeff, Lower Alabama. Woo!